Hi guys! Welcome to Vince Tutorial. So for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo yung conditional statement dito sa Python language natin, which is yung if statement. So if, elif, and else. If statement is a conditional statement that runs a different set of statement depending on whether an expression is true or false. So yung if statement guys is a conditional statement. So try natin gumawa ng conditional statement. So for example guys, naglagay tayo dito ng age na variable natin. So age equals to int. So int yung nilagay natin guys para yung ilalagay ng user is whole number. So input, so kukunin natin yung age nila. So I put string here, how old are you? So how old are you yung tinanong ko sa user. So let's put a condition guys. So if yung una natin tinawag kasi yun yung palaging una guys. So huwag nyo kalimutan una yung if. Sunod yung variable na ating i-condition guys. So if age is greater than 18, so greater than yan, greater than guys is conditional operator natin. So if age is greater than 18, so colon guys, huwag nyo kalimutan yung colon, tas pagkatapos enter nyo, so makita nyo naka-indent, so lagyan na yun yung print. So ano yung ipiprint mo? So print ko dito is print you are in a legal age. So pag greater than 18 guys, so yung ipiprint niya is you are in a legal age. So try natin. So sorry guys, nakalimutan ko parenthesis dito. So run natin. So how old are you? So I say 18. So walang lalabas kasi nga greater than 18 lang yun condition natin. So run natin ulit. So if I say how old are you, I say 19. So you are in a legal age. So yan guys, ipiprint niya yung you are in a legal age kasi nga greater than 18 yung condition natin. So if I say 17 here guys, so if pag-run natin, if how old are you, so I say 18. So ayan, you are in a legal age kasi nga yung condition natin is greater than 17. So pag I say how old are you, I say 17. So ayun, walang lalabas. So pag gusto nyo guys, yung 18 is legal age, so lagyan nyo lang ng equal yung greater than para pag iparan natin. So I say how old are you, I say 18. So you are in a legal age. So legal age na yung 18. So ulit natin para natin how old are you. So I say 17. So di na, walang result guys kasi nga greater than or equal to 18 yung condition natin. So para ano guys, may lalabas kapag yung condition natin is false, so lagyan natin siya ng else statement. So else statement is para pag false yung ating condition is pupunta agad siya sa else. So condition else na naman tayo. So print, so pag print siya ng below 18 is ipiprint niya yung underage. So run natin yung program guys. So how old are you? So I say 18. So you are in a legal age. So run ulit. So how old are you? So pag sinabi nating 17, so you are underage. So underage siya guys kasi nga yun yung condition natin sa else statement. So pag gusto mo guys ng maraming condition, so elif lang yung ilalagay mo na condition. So pwede ka nang maglagay ng kahit anong condition guys. So ang akin dito is elif age. So kagaya lang ng if statement guys, may kukunin lang natin yung variable natin. So elif age is greater than or equal to 60. So nag-condition naman tayo guys ng condition na 60. So yung ipiprint natin kapag 60, yung ilalagay niya na age is you are a member of senior citizen. So kapag 60 guys pataas yung ilalagay niya is you are a member of senior citizen. So lagyan natin ng range yung ating legal age guys kapag yung age natin is 18 to 59. So legal age pa siya. So gagamitin natin yung or and na condition guys. So if age is greater than or equal to 18 and age is less than or equal to 59, so you are in a legal age. So ayan guys, so pag 18 to 59 yung age natin na ilalagay is you are in a legal age. So kapag 16 naman guys is you are a member of senior citizen. So kapag age natin guys is less than 18 is dito pupunta sa L statement which is underage. So let's run this program. So how old are you? So if I say 60, so you are a member of senior citizen kasi yung condition natin is less than or equal to 18 is senior citizen. So let's try to run again. So if I say 59, so you are in a legal age kasi nga yun yung condition natin. So true siya. So yan guys, yun yung if statement guys, yung mga condition natin. So you can add more condition guys kung kailan mo gusto or anong gusto mong condition. So pwede guys sa if statement.